To be beautiful means to be yourself. You don't need to be accepted by others. You need to accept yourself. Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. Letting go gives us freedom, and freedom is the only condition for happiness. If, in our heart, we still cling to anything, anger, anxiety, or possessions, we cannot be free. People have a hard time letting go of their suffering. Out of a fear of the unknown, they prefer suffering that is familiar. Feelings come and go like clouds in a windy sky. Conscious breathing is my anchor. Because you are alive, everything is possible. Waking up this morning, I smile. 24 brand new hours are before me. I vow to live fully in each moment, and to look at all beings with eyes of compassion. Smile, breathe and go slowly. Many people think excitement is happiness. But when you are excited you are not peaceful. True happiness is based on peace. The seed of suffering in you may be strong, but don't wait until you have no more suffering before allowing yourself to be happy. Breathing in, I calm body and mind. Breathing out, I smile. Dwelling in the present moment, I know this is the only moment. Hope is important because it can make the present moment less difficult to bear. If we believe that tomorrow will be better, we can bear a hardship today. If you love someone but rarely make yourself available to him or her, that is not true love. My actions are my only true belongings. For things to reveal themselves to us, we need to be ready to abandon our views about them. Our own life has to be our message. The mind can go in 1,000 directions, but on this beautiful path, I walk in peace. With each step, the wind blows. With each step, a flower blooms. Life is available only in the present moment. The mind can go in 1,000 directions, but on this beautiful path, I walk in peace. With each step, the wind blows. With each step, a flower blooms. Life is available only in the present moment. Walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. When another person makes you suffer, it is because he suffers deeply within himself, and his suffering is spilling over. He does not need punishment, he needs help. That's the message he is sending. If you love someone, the greatest gift you can give them is your presence. Keeping your body healthy is an expression of gratitude to the whole cosmos, the trees, the clouds, everything. When we are mindful, deeply in touch with the present moment, our understanding of what is going on deepens, and we begin to be filled with acceptance, joy, peace and love. Understanding means throwing away your knowledge. The most precious gift we can offer anyone is our attention. When mindfulness embraces those we love, they will bloom like flowers. It is my conviction that there is no way to peace. Peace is the way. The past is gone, the future is not yet here, and if we do not go back to ourselves in the present moment, we cannot be in touch with life. The true miracle is not walking on water or walking in air, but simply walking on this earth.